Okay, just a little quick something starting here today, whatever day it is, 27 November, Sunday, 2022. Just real quick. Here I'm playing a Sanyo M7790 on cassette, right? And anyway, we're just doing that, and we're going to put stop on that, and then we're going to unplug it, and get your tape out. Tape out, right? So tapes out, right? Because this is not about that, right? And it's about this one here. I started to put batteries in this model here. Let's see. Okay. Let me show you what that is. Does it focus? Hopefully. Okay, that's what I'm going to work on next. And so I went to put batteries in it, and as soon as I did, you hear the motor noise? It's just tape running, right? So it's running, it's working. So you put it on radio.
Good thing. This helps.
As a full service bar and offers a daily lunch.
So the tape deck just runs, and that's all we know, and it looks like that, and it's just a real quick something here. So let me get my batteries out. Okay, so that's why I was holding because I do have the battery cover. There is battery cover. Just wanted to get that out. Okay. Anyway, that's good. Just running the rest of my batteries. And then here's something that I finally finished working on. It's like that. It's oh, let's see here. Let's hit. Right, there's nothing on there. This is the tape I was recording on, so hit eject. That out. Throw this in. Right. That's upside down. That's right. No, yeah, that's right. And hit play. Did I take the batteries out of this thing? Wait. Oh well, let's see here. There it goes. Oh, wait. It doesn't like that. So, okay, there we go. So, there it is. Now it's working. Okay. Running on batteries. It's got line in. It's that model there. Okay, it's got line in. Yeah. It's like this. It's that model. Okay, but like I said, this is videos. That's what I just fixed. I'm gonna make a video about that later, but this is the model I'm gonna work on next here, which is, there we go. It takes 7 batteries, and this is different because this one is black with white speakers. Okay, make a note of that because this is silver with black speakers. Okay, and this has an AC input. Okay, like that. All right. Whereas this one does not have an AC input. It only has a DC input. There is no anything on that end. All right, so it has the same basic controls, same exact controls, just no no AC in, just a DC. So it takes a wall wart. And again, it's that model. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I like these little ones. Alright, so let me just turn this off. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.